So in this video, you learn how to enable the location tags in photos on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So if you want to ensure that any photo that you start taking has a location immediately added to it, then this is what you're going to do. You're going to start by opening the camera app, and then you want to navigate to the settings menu. Once you're in the camera settings menu, you're going to scroll until you find the option location tags, and you're going to tap on the toggle next to it to enable that feature. You'll then be prompted to choose what location you want to use. So you have precise and you have approximate. So make your choice and then confirm your choice. Once you've successfully enabled the location tags, you can then just close the camera settings app menu. So from here, now whenever you take a photo using your Galaxy Z Fold 7, you'll notice that whenever you bring up the photo details, you can see a location has been added to the image, which means now you've successfully enabled the location tags feature. And now any photo from now on will start being added a location immediately after you've taken the image. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.